Huge news just shook the entire crypto space. Ripple's long-rumored IPO date has finally surfaced. A leaked screenshot from Bloomberg Terminal confirms that Ripple is gearing up to go public in the first quarter of 2025. Naturally, this revelation has sparked a wave of excitement across both retail investors and major institutions. Industry insiders, analysts, and experts are all zeroing in on the same prediction. XRP could be on the brink of a massive breakout, with some estimating it could skyrocket by 1,000% or more once Ripple hits the stock market. To understand why this matters so much, let's zoom out and look at Ripple's unique role in the broader crypto ecosystem. Ripple's impact goes far beyond the XRP token itself. What sets the company apart is its clear focus on solving real-world financial challenges, especially in the realm of global payments. While many crypto projects emphasize decentralization and operate independently of traditional finance, Ripple has taken a collaborative path by actively partnering with established financial institutions. Ripple isn't just another blockchain startup, it's a fintech giant with years of groundwork already laid. Through meaningful partnerships with some of the biggest names in banking and payment processing, Ripple has positioned itself as a bridge between traditional finance and the blockchain world. And these aren't just partnerships on paper, they're working relationships built around streamlining how money moves across borders. Ripple's blockchain technology is already being used to improve the speed and cost efficiency of international payments, challenging outdated systems like SWIFT. Instead of taking days to move money between countries, Ripple's solution makes it possible in seconds and at a fraction of the cost. XRP plays a central role in this system, acting as a bridge currency that powers these fast and affordable transactions. That gives XRP a level of real-world utility many other cryptocurrencies simply don't have. This is what makes XRP so unique. It's not just a speculative asset, it's a core part of a functioning financial infrastructure. Ripple's larger mission is to build what it calls the Internet of Value, where money moves across the globe as effortlessly as sending an email. That vision is already taking shape, and Ripple's IPO could be the rocket fuel that launches it into the mainstream. Just think back to the Coinbase IPO in 2021 for context. Early backers saw enormous returns when it hit the public market. Ripple's upcoming IPO could be even more impactful, especially given its existing partnerships and the growing demand for XRP's practical use in global finance. When Coinbase went public, some early investors saw their holdings grow by as much as 10,000%, as the IPO helped usher crypto into the heart of Wall Street. But Ripple's upcoming IPO is being viewed by many as an even bigger game changer. Why? Because while Coinbase operates as a crypto exchange, Ripple's technology serves as the underlying infrastructure of global finance. Its real-world application goes much deeper, and its success could signal a turning point for mass adoption of blockchain at a fundamental institutional level. Analysts across both traditional finance and the crypto sector are rolling out some eye-popping price predictions for XRP. And these aren't just wild shots in the dark. They're based on deep market research, trend analysis, and Ripple's ongoing strategic progress. The excitement surrounding XRP right now is off the charts, with financial experts dissecting every angle of Ripple's potential. Some are boldly forecasting XRP to hit $1,000 per coin after the IPO, largely due to Ripple's unique position in facilitating cross-border payments that handle trillions of dollars in flow each year. What's fueling this bullish outlook is Ripple's expanding footprint among global banks and financial institutions. As more of these players adopt Ripple's blockchain technology to streamline payments, the demand for XRP as the bridge asset powering those transactions is expected to rise rapidly. This isn't just about hype. These predictions are backed by real progress. Ripple's growing list of high-profile partnerships, increasing institutional attention, and XRP's scalability as a bridge currency all strengthen the case. To draw a comparison, look at what happened with Ethereum in 2023. After the approval of Ethereum-based ETFs, its price surged as institutional money poured in. Many believe Ripple's IPO could trigger a similar response, but potentially on an even larger scale. It would bring not only massive investment interest, but also much needed regulatory clarity. Two ingredients that could create the perfect environment for XRP to soar. Getting access to IPO shares is no easy task. It's a fast-moving, competitive process where timing is everything. According to recent reports, Ripple may take a unique approach by giving early IPO share allocations to existing XRP holders. This move would reward long-time supporters of the project and strengthen the bond between Ripple and its community. In other words, if you're thinking about getting in before the IPO, the clock is ticking. Acting sooner rather than later could make all the difference. For everyday investors, picking up XRP now isn't just about hoping for price gains. It's a calculated decision to potentially qualify for Ripple's IPO offering. This could open the door to returns that are truly life-changing. As anticipation builds, demand for XRP is expected to rise sharply the moment Ripple makes its IPO official. That spike could drive prices higher, making it tougher for latecomers to get in at an affordable level. Moving quickly now could be the key to securing a spot before the wave hits. With so much at stake, missing this window could mean missing out entirely. For those serious about gaining early access to Ripple's public offering, there's an option worth considering. A platform called Service A offers a pre-IPO investment pool designed to give retail investors a shot at an opportunity normally reserved for institutional giants. Through Service A, individuals can join forces, invest collectively, and potentially participate in Ripple's IPO. What makes this even better is that Service A doesn't just offer access, it also provides robust support. From investment tools and strategy resources to educational content and ongoing guidance, it's designed to help investors make the most of what could be a historic financial moment. And remember, Ripple's IPO isn't just about a single event. It has the potential to reshape how blockchain and finance intersect on a global scale. Ripple's move toward going public is more than just a price catalyst. It's a signal that regulators are beginning to embrace blockchain technology in mainstream finance. After facing years of legal headwinds, including a high-profile battle with the SEC, Ripple is re-emerging with greater legitimacy and momentum. Launching an IPO would add a layer of transparency, improve liquidity, and boost institutional trust. These factors together could pave the way for XRP and Ripple's payment network to see broader global adoption. From a technical perspective, XRP is already showing signs of strength. Chart watchers have pointed out bullish indicators like ascending triangle formations and breakouts from long-standing consolidation zones. These patterns typically suggest that investor interest is building, especially ahead of a major event like an IPO. With both technical momentum and strong fundamentals aligning, many believe XRP is gearing up for a significant rally. Ripple's leaked IPO timeline isn't just another piece of news. It marks a potentially historic moment for the entire crypto market. The possibility of XRP soaring to $1,000 or more is rooted in more than just hype. It's supported by Ripple's